Hi everyone, welcome to EduZone Mentor YouTube channel. I am Ajmal. In this video, I would like to teach you on the topic Vedic Math Part 2. So, I already uploaded one video on Vedic Math Part 1. I provided the link in description. You can check that video there and you can watch through there. Okay. In this topic, this is Vedic Math Part 2. I am teaching multiplication by numbers with the digits ones and numbers with the digits nines. Okay, so let us move to the topic. Okay, multiplication by ones. That is the numbers with the digits ones. We are multiplying the numbers with the digits ones. Okay, that is 43 here in the 43 into 11, 23 into 11, 243 into 111, 2043 into 1111. Okay, all these numbers are multiplied with the numbers with the digits ones. Okay, 43 into 11. I will explain the method first. Here there are two ones. In this 11 there are two ones. So we have to make a group of two. Okay. That is, first of all, we have to start from the right side. That is, we are starting from 3. Okay, so you have to write 3 here. Then we have to make a group of 2. That is 4 3. We are making a group of 2. That is 4 3. So 4 plus 3 7. Okay. Then we have to remove the numbers from the right side. That is, from this group of 2, we have to remove 3. Here the group with the maximum digits, that is 2, is completed. So we have to remove the digits from the right side, that is 3. So we are removing 3, then there will be 4. So the remaining number will be 4. So 473. I think you understood. Okay. So 43. So here 4, then 473 will be the answer. Okay. Then next 23 into 11. In this case, first of all, we have to take the 3. Okay, 3. Then we have to write here 3. Then 2 plus 3 equal to 5. That is 5. Then we have to left the numbers, remove the numbers from the right side. So we are removing 3. Then remaining will be 2. So we have to write 2. So here maximum grouping will be with 2 digits. Okay, so first we have to write 3. Then again we have to add 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Then we have to remove the number from the right side. So we are removing 3. Then 2 will be the remaining. So 253. Okay. Then 243 into 111. Here the maximum grouping will be 3 digits. First of all, we have to take from right side 3. Then 3 plus 4 equal to 7. Then maximum grouping of 3, that is 243. So 3 plus 4 7. 7 plus 2 equal to 9. That is 973. Then we have to remove 3 from the right side. So we are making a group of 2 and 4. That is 2 plus 4 equal to 6. Then we have to remove 4 and 3. Then we have to take 2. Okay. Then the answer will be 269. 73. Okay. Then next we have to make a maximum grouping of 4 here. So 3 will be first 3, then 3 plus 4 equal to 7, then 3 plus 4 plus 0 equal to 7, then 3 plus 4 plus 0 plus 2, that is 9. Next we have to remove from right side, that is we have to remove 3 first. So 2 plus 4 equal to 6. Next we have to remove 4 and 3. So 2 plus 0 equal to 2. Next we have to remove 0, 4, 3. Then we have to take 2. So the answer will be 2269773. Okay. Very simple process, simple method. Okay. Then 4. First here in this case 4. Then 2 plus 4 equal to 6. 2 plus 4 plus 1, that is 6 plus 1 equal to 7. 7 plus 3, that is 10. Okay, so if we get 2 digits, we have to write here ones place digit and tens place digits will be carry. So 4 plus 6, sorry, 4 plus 6, 10, so 1 will be carry. Again we have to take the 5 digits grouping, maximum grouping of 5 digits will be there. So 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus this carry, 12 plus 1, 13, again carry will be there. Okay, again carry will be there. Now we have to remove the digits from the right side. So first you have to remove 4, then we have to take 2, 1, 3 and 2. So 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus this carry, 8 plus 1, that is 9. Okay, again we have to remove 2 and 4, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6. Okay, then we have to remove 1, 2 and 4, then 3 and 2, that is 5. We have to take 3 and 2, then we have to remove 3, 1, 2, 4, we have to take 2, so 2. So the answer will be 2, 5, 6, 9, 3, 0, 7, 6, 4. Okay, so this is the method. It's very simple. By practicing it will be very easy. Okay, next. Okay, in this case, in the previous case, all the digits, the original number digits and the numbers with the ones digits are, the number of digits are same here. Here 2 digits, here 3 digits, here 4 digits, here 5 digits. But another case, that is the number of digits varies. That is, here 3 digits will be there. That is the original number 3 digits and the digit with the ones 2 digits. Here original number 4 digits with the ones 2 digits. Okay, here 4, here 3. Okay, so here one rule will be there: maximum number of digits in largest group is equal to the number of ones. So here we have to take the largest group of 2, because here 2 digits are there, that is ones are 2. Okay, 2 ones digits are there. So we have to take a group of largest group of 2. Only we have to take a largest group of 2. Okay, so first of all we have to take 2. Then the largest group is 2 with digits 2, that is 2 and 4, 6. Again group of 2, that is 3 plus 4, 7. Now we have to remove from the last group. Here the last group is 3 and 4, and we have to remove the right side number, that is we have to remove 4, we have to take 3. So the answer will be 3, 7, 6, 2. This is the method. Again 4, 2, 5, 3. In this case we have to take 3, first 3, 5 plus 3, 8, group of 2, 5 plus 2, 7, group of 2, 4 plus 2, 6, group of 2. We have to remove the number from the last group, that is we have to remove the right side number, that is 2, and we have to take 4. The answer will be 4, 6, 7, 8, 3. Okay, next here we have the grouping will be, maximum grouping will be 3. So here first of all 5, then 5 plus 1 plus 3, that is 6 plus 3, 9, sorry 1 plus 5, 6. Then the largest group, that is 6 plus 3, that is 9. Again the largest group, which is the last group, 2, 3, 1. So 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. Okay, 6. Again now we have to remove the numbers from the largest group. Here the last group is 2, 3, 1. So we have to remove 1. We have to take 2 and 3. So 2 and 3, 5. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Then we have to remove 3 and 1 and take 2. So the answer will be 2, 5, 6, 9, 6, 5. Okay. Okay, next here in this case in the original number, one number is less than. Here the original number, the number is 2 digits, and number with the ones 3 digits are there. So we have to put a 0 here and take it as a 3-digit number and follow the previous method. Very simple. So first of all we have to take 3, So here maximum grouping will be 3. Okay, so 3, first of all 3, then 8, 5 plus 3 8, then again 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 0, that is 8. Now we have to remove last from the right side last digit, that is 3 is removed, then 5 will be there. Again 5 and 3 is removed, then we have to take 0. So no need of writing 0 here, no value for 0. The answer will be 5883. 5883. Okay, here also, here 3 digits are there in the original number and 4 digits are there in the ones number. So we have to put a 0 here. We have to make a group of 4. First of all we have to take 4, then 4 plus 2 6. Okay, then 6 plus 6, 6 plus 6, what is 6 plus 6? 12. So we have to write ones digits here and tens digits will be carry. Again 4 plus 2 plus 6 plus 0, that is 6 plus 6 plus 0, that is 12. 12 plus this carry, that is 13. Okay, again 1 will be carry. Now we have to remove from the right side. We have to remove 4, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus this carry 1, 6 plus 2 plus 1, that is 9. Okay, again we have to remove 2 and 4. Again we have to remove 2 and 4, then we have to take 6 plus 0, that is 6. Now we can take 0. So the answer will be 693264. 693264. Okay, so this is the method. I think you will be feel as this is a very long method, but by practicing more and more, by doing practice, you can do it within seconds. Okay, by seeing the question itself you can do it in your mind. Okay, so practice more with the random numbers, practice more. Okay, next multiplication by nines. Here it is very simple as compared to the previous concept. So here 2 steps are there. First step is, first of all we have to subtract with 1, that is 24 minus 1. What is 24 minus 1? 23. Right here 23, that is this number, subtract with 1, that is 24 minus 1, write 23. Next step, what is next step will be, you have to subtract that number with 9 from subtract from 9 from that number. Okay, so 9 minus 3, what is 9 minus 3? 6. 9 minus 2, 9 minus 2 7. So the answer will be 2376. Okay, 9 minus 3 6, 9 minus 2 7. So 2376. Okay, next 253 into 999. Here we have to minus 1. You have to subtract 1 from 253. 252. Okay, then 9 minus 2 7. 9 minus 5 4. 9 minus 2 7. Okay, so 252 747. Okay, again next here 3421, 3420, that is 3421 minus 1, 3420. 9 minus 0, what is 9? 9 minus 2 7. 9 minus 4 5. 9 minus 3 6. So the answer will be 3420 6579. Okay, here 4080 minus 1, that is 4079. You have to subtract with the 9, that is 9 minus 9 0. 9 minus 7 2. 9 minus 0 9. 9 minus 4 5. So the answer will be 40795920. Okay, next here the some the variation digits will be there, that is here 2 digits 4 2, and here 3 digits will be there 3 9. Okay, so as like the previous method, that is we have to put a 0 here and take it as a 3 digit. So 0, 4, 2 minus 1, 0, 4, 1. Then subtract with 9. So here it will be 9 minus 1, 8, 9 minus 4, 5, 9 minus 0, 9. So answer will be 41,958. Okay. Okay, then here two zeros, we have to put two zeros here. So here we have to put 0066. Again we have to subtract. First of all, 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 6, 3. Then 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. So the answer will be 669933. Okay. Okay. Then here 421 in 90. Here one rule we have to apply the rule, that is subtraction will be n number of times when where n is a number of nines. So here only we have to subtract n number of times. Here the digits are 2, so we have to subtract only 2 times. Okay. So first of all we have to subtract. First step will be 421 minus 1, that is 420. First you have to write 420, that is 421 minus 1. Then we have to only subtract with 2 and 0. 9 minus 0 and 9 minus 2. We don't have to take 4, because we have to subtract only n number of times, that is 2 times. So 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 2, 7. Okay, we have to stop the subtraction, because we have to only 2 times. We have to subtract only 2 times. Now we have to take this unused number, that is 4, unused digit, and subtract this 4 from 420. So the answer will be 416, and take the 7, 9 here. So the answer will be 41,679. Same case here. Okay, here 2 digits are there, 2 nines are there, so we have to only subtract 2 times. So first of all we have to subtract 65, 1, 2. We have to subtract 1 from 65, 1, 2, that is 6, 5, 1, 1. And we have to subtract 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 1, 8. And we have to take this unused number 65 and subtract the 65 from 6511. So 11 minus 5, 6. Yes. Then 10 minus 6, 4. Here will be 4. 6, 4, 4, 6, and 8, 8. Okay. So this is the method. By practicing more and more, you can do it very fast, within seconds, and you can master it. Okay. So by seeing my explanation, you will be thinking as it is very long method, but it is not like that. You can do it within seconds in your exams. Mostly these questions will become in the case of SSC CGL. It will be most number of cases the questions will be in tier 2, that is mains. Okay. Okay. So you please subscribe my channel. Subscribe my channel. So after subscribing, you have to hit the bell icon, and there are 3 options for after clicking on notifications. There are 3 options, that is one is all, second is personalized, and third is none. Okay. So if you click on the alls, if you select on all, then only you will be notified all my videos. Okay. So you please select all, then only all my videos are notified. Okay. And please share, like my video, and share to aspirants and in study groups. Okay, share to aspirant and study groups, and comment your suggestions in the comment section. So thank you all for watching my videos. See you soon in my next video with a new topic. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a nice day.